Welcome to DragginMath. Let's learn about the commutative property. First, let's do a little arithmetic. Tap the top text field, then enter 3 plus 4, semicolon, 4 plus 3, and end line. The semicolon tells DragginMath that you want to make separate expressions, which will in turn make separate operator trees. And remember that you can drag on white space to move things around. These two expressions are a lot alike. The operators are the same, and the numbers are the same, but the numbers are in a different order. This operator tree means we'll add these numbers in this particular order. Evaluate 3 plus 4 by double-tapping the plus that joins them. Now do it for the other operator tree, adding the numbers in that order. The final results are the same, even though the order of the operands was different. We used the numbers 3 and 4 here, but that was just an example to get us started. For any numbers, a and b, whatever they are, adding them together in this order has the same result as adding them together in this order. Always. This rule has a name. It's called the commutative property of addition. This simple rule is one of the most important things you will ever learn about algebra. How do you use the commutative property in DragginMath? Put your fingertip on one operand of plus. See the red circle appear around your fingertip. This tells you DragginMath knows you are touching that node in the tree. Without lifting your finger, drag it directly sideways past the other operand of plus. The red circle turns purple when you do this. That color change is important. It tells you that DragginMath knows you want to commute operands. Now, lift your finger. DragginMath rearranges the tree and the text according to this rule. This only works when you drag an operand sideways past its partner operand. And it only works when DragginMath is sure that what you want to do is correct. For example, if you have a plus b plus c, and you drag b sideways past c. B may change color, but it isn't purple. That's because c is not the partner operand of b. So when you lift your finger, b goes back where it came from, and nothing happens. Does c have a partner? Yes, it does. The partner operand of c is the subexpression a plus b. There is also a commutative property of multiplication. For any numbers, a and b, whatever they are, multiplying them together in this order has the same result as multiplying them together in this order. Always. It may seem hard to believe, but the commutative property really is one of the most important things you will ever learn about algebra. That's all for now.